Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 1-33, the radius rod, for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So let's get designing. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex and we're building the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. This episode going to be working on part 1-33, the radius rod. So let's get into it. Okay, this is a pretty easy one. So we're going to do the top plane. We want a cylinder, circle. We're going to create a cylinder. Dimension is 12 mil. 12. There we go. The length is 178. Feature extrude mid plane 178 and done. Okay, so let me spin that out. Thank you very much. So now we want to do a thread on the top. That's going to be M12. Oh, way past it. What the heck do I have down there? M12, we'll do 1.5. That's going to be down 33. What's temperature? What's the angle? 33 and done. There's that one. Let's do that again. Oop, that's not what I want. Yeah, that one, thank you. We want thread. Click the bottom ring. We want, let's see now. M12, yep, that's cool. So we want that going to be, oops, already set that. Excellent, it's going to be 34. And done. And that is that one done. So that's all we need on that. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Nice and short and quick. So next episode, we should be starting assembly the chassis in that. So I'm excited to get that done. So thank you for coming along. Thanks again for everyone's support. Welcome new subscribers. Thank you everyone that has subscribed. Got any comments, suggestions, whatnot? Leave in the comments below. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.